This bold remedy clears mucus and eases cold symptoms fast using ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Here's how to make it. Add 2 liters of water to a pot. Then add 1 sliced onion, 3 garlic cloves, 1 sliced lemon, and a few slices of ginger. Add a stick or teaspoon of cinnamon. Let it boil for about 10 minutes. Sweeten with honey and drink it warm. This soothing tea may help relieve dry cough, loosen mucus, ease sinus pressure, and support your body when you're feeling under the weather. Natural, effective, and made with ingredients you already have at home. Follow for more natural home remedies.